buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can block numbers on your Motorola Moto G84 5G. For that, you want to go to your phone icon, go to the three little dots and go to settings. Now, the first thing you want to do is go to caller ID and spam, and here we can say see caller ID and spam, identify business and spam numbers, and you can also say to filter spam calls, prevent suspected spam calls from disturbing you. Then we can also go to blocked numbers, and here we can say unknown, block calls from unidentified callers. But we can also say to add a number, and here we can add specific numbers that we want to block. You can put in the phone number here and then say block. Then this number won't be able to reach out to you anymore. If you've done that, you can go back and hopefully enjoy the silence. So that's how you can block numbers on your Motorola Moto G84 5G. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. So thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.